Ever wondered what powers the global financial transactions of companies like Xero or Qantas? The secret often lies in a powerful, flexible, and robust financial API. And today, we're diving into one of the best in the business, the Airwallex API. If you're a developer, a fintech enthusiast, or someone building a business that needs to handle international payments, foreign exchange, or global accounts, you've probably heard the term API thrown around. It stands for Application Programming Interface, essentially, a set of rules that allows different software applications to talk to each other. Think of it as a universal translator for computers. The Airwallex API takes this concept to the next level, offering a comprehensive suite of financial services that can be integrated directly into your application. It's not just about sending money, it's about automating your entire financial operations. Imagine a world where your software can automatically convert currency at a competitive rate, open a new local bank account in minutes, or send out 100 payments to suppliers across the globe, all with a few lines of code. That's the power of the Airwallex API. So, how do you get started? It's a journey, not a single step, and we're going to break it down into 4 simple phases. Phase 1. Sign up and get your credentials. Head over to the Airwallex developer portal. The first thing you'll need is an Airwallex account. Once you're in, navigate to the API section to generate your API keys. Think of these as your personal keys to the kingdom. You'll get 2 keys, a client ID and a client secret. Keep these secure, just like you would a password. Phase 2. Dive into the documentation. Airwallex has some of the most comprehensive and well-structured API documentation out there. Don't skip this part. It's your roadmap. You'll find detailed guides on everything from authentication to making your first payment request. Pay close attention to the sandbox environment. This is a testing playground where you can experiment without any real money changing hands. It's a crucial step to ensure your integration is working perfectly before you go live. Phase 3. Make your first API call. This is where the magic starts to feel real. Using your favorite programming language, whether that's Python, JavaScript, or something else, you'll use your API keys to make an authentication request. This will give you an access token, which is a temporary key used to authorize subsequent requests. The documentation provides code examples in multiple languages, making it incredibly easy to get started. Try a simple call first, like fetching your account balance. Seeing a real-time response from the API is a huge milestone. Phase 4. Build and scale. With your first API call under your belt, the sky's the limit. You can start integrating more complex functionalities. Want to create a payment link for a customer? There's an endpoint for that. Need to automate foreign exchange conversions for your invoices? There's an API for that too. Airwallex offers APIs for payments, payouts, multi-currency accounts, foreign exchange, and more. As your business grows, your financial operations can scale right along with it, all powered by this one versatile platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.